Today is December 27th, 2017. Invoice number V4695. We are video scanning the water heater flue. Pretty much the same height as the boiler flue. You're looking at about approximately 33 feet, 34 feet. Proceeding down with video scan, we'll have to stick a tape measure in to get an exact dimension, but this is a very small round flue. I'm going to assume that this is about a 6-inch round flue. Proceeding down with video scan now. Again, thimble area is completely broken and missing. Proceeding downward. Straight shot for the most part, a little bit of offset. See, thimble area is broken and missing. Looking upward. Again, 34 feet tall. I believe it is a 6-inch round flue. That concludes the video scan for today. I do recommend that the water heater flue be relined as well as the boiler flue.